Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I have an 11 by 14 canvas. I wanted to try this color combo. I have no idea how to turn out. It could be that it's all going to be too dark. I have the DecoArt Satin in the dark denim. I have the Folk Art Inca Gold and Chroma Molten Metals in copper. So those are my colors. And I need 5 ounces. I'll probably have a little tiny bit over that. So I'm trying to play a little bit, but I don't know about these being thin enough. Once again, I have thinned them out until they're falling down in there, but they still don't run the way I want them to. So I'm gonna try this again. Plus they thicken up a little bit, you know, while I'm trying to get my camera in position, because that thing keeps falling down and I don't realize it. And then I get started going. I go to review it. There it is, not showing enough. So I'm trying to fix that. So hopefully this will be a little better. Put the gold in first last time. Put a little more. A little more copper, please. Like that Inca Gold is gonna sink on me. That might be okay. May not have 5 ounces in here all together, because that's the 5 ounce cup. I think this is actually a 6 ounce cup if you were to take it all the way to the top. So I'm going to be real close. I have faith. We'll see how it goes. That navy is really dark. That copper is fairly dark. Of course, it'll light up whenever it's dry. Oh, I forgot to get a paper towel. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm trying to think how I want to do this. I think I'm just going to pour it. Uh-oh. Nothing but navy in the bottom, in the middle. Come on, something else come out of there. May have to tilt all that off. My nose is itching. I got some copper and something showing in there. It's gonna be dark. Ooh, I might end up with a galaxy looking painting. Love those. I'll lose all that metallic over there on that edge. It's going to roll under. I'm losing paint. I really can't afford to lose. That looks pretty wonderful. Hold on for 1 second. I have a lamp I can turn on. And I always forget that. See if we can get some down there in that corner. I think I see a blob. I'm going to try to get all of my corners down into my corners since I don't seem to have a lot of extra paint. And then I'll worry about my sides. Ooh, I like this. Okay, I'm going to let it go back to the center. Instead of getting this corner, I'm going to try to get some on that one. Let's see if I can figure out where that blob is. That was a blob of copper. A blob of copper. Okay, cool. I don't even care if this dries dark. I'll put me a planet in there somewhere. Okay, there's a blob right there that has caused a squiggle. Ooh, I like this. That looks okay. There's a place. Little place right there on the corner. Got a whole lot missing on this end. Got it fixed. Okie doke. I am going to pop some bubbles because I have a ton of them. That copper and gold blended. So I'm running out of juice. Fill that back up. I don't know. Yeah, that was a bubble. I think that was a bubble. Oh, I'm happy with this. This is definitely different. I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm going to take the camera down and give you all a close-up. So thanks for watching. And I invite you to come back and watch me again. See what I'm up to. I have more bubbles. A lot more bubbles. Let me try my blow dryer. I forgot to tell you all, this was mixed with paint, water, and just a tiny bit of Liquitex Pouring Medium. Nowhere even close to being a fourth. Probably not even a fourth. A lot of water, paint, water, Liquitex Pouring Medium. That's it. So, I'm going to stop the camera, take it down, let you see it. It looks good. I'm happy with this one. Thank you so much for watching. I invite you to come back, watch me again, spend a little time with me, see what I'm up to, because, you know, I get these brainstorms sometimes, and sometimes they work out. I know that's a dangerous thing whenever I get a brainstorm, but sometimes they do work out, and I consider this one a big success. So, thanks for watching. Let me give you a close-up. This ceiling light is going to cause us a problem, but I'm going to try to keep this tilted so that you can see. But it's funny how that gold and copper blended and that blue and brought in all this detail. Now, I was hoping for the definite rings like I got with the navy before. It's not navy, it's dark denim in that video, but I didn't get it. But I love this blending. And it looks even darker than it does in the camera, so that's kind of weird because usually it's the other way around. But you can see how it definitely, I'm having shadow, but has a pattern that can be seen. The inside of it is not just totally, you know, that dark blue. So thanks for watching. I'll post a picture at the end of it dry.